Hi guys, we are back on Minecraft and sadly the server has a bungee card on. That means that we can't go on it. Yeah, it means that we're kicked. And if it says a bungee card and then it's off, that means that you're free and you're not kicked. So look. Wait, no, it doesn't have a bungee card. There. So let's just refresh all this, and you can see it says a bungee cord, so that means that we have been kicked from it. So that means that we'll go on Minecraft. Yeah. So let's go on /friend. No one on. 8 hours ago, man. Could have checked 8 hours ago. No, so it's Turf Wars time, and let's go in the portal. So as you can see, we're here, and I'm going to turn the volume down, otherwise it will be really annoying. So we're here, and oh no, I forgot to choose the imperator. No, that can't happen. That would have hit somebody. 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 I'm just going to fall into the lava right now. Yeah. I'm just typing something in the chat. You don't really need to see it. Right. I'm gonna get it done. What does it say? Snow killed me with archery. Interesting. Thanks for the news. Oh, come on. Ha, someone just falling into the lava. Yeah, how about that? No, we're gonna die. Yeah, right, we're safe. How about saying not safe? Right, I am absolutely done with this, so I'm going on super paintball, so I'll be back when I'm on the super paintball. I'll see you. So guys, we are back and we're choosing a shotgun kit, and we can get this here, but we're not going to. And a few that didn't let us get it. For some reason on it now, on Mineplex on Super Paintball now, or usually on any server, on like Super Smash Mobs, and every like game on Mineplex, then you cannot buy another kit, unfortunately, because someone has hacked the kits. Right. Oh no, that's never good. Good. Phew. Now we need derpy things. Let's free him to do it. Oh, there. Yeah, I got the last kill. Last. So that was a bit embarrassing, and as you can see, I think we're going to get some loot, aren't we? Oh no. We're not going to, unfortunately. Now, well, I just came on here to show you some games, and I'll be, we're going to bomb robbers now. Because it's just fun, and you get to like throw bombs at each other and do all that stuff and kill people, and yeah. So this is quite fun actually. Let's choose. I'll choose armor, even though I've got the picture kit here. But no, let's choose the jump packet, because that can jump when they transfer the TNT at you. So here it is, and let's just get out of the way. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. Right, let's get up here. And now for some reason, did you know the jump sound that it used to make? Now it makes like a TNT sound when it's halfway through when it's trying to explode. So that's quite annoying, and let's mute it, and that'll be fine. Oh no. I died, guys! No. So, do you think we should go on another server? Yeah, I think that's the best. Disconnect. The Mineplex cops and guns. Mineplex cops and crims. Right, here we are. Right, here we are. Bombs defused, 0. Bombs spotted, 0. TDM kills. Oh, that's because I've not been with Dan TDM. Right, 1 in queue, 14 in queue. Oh, why? No. So we can't go on cops and crims. So instead, let's go Smash Heroes. Smash Heroes be better than cops and crims. Good, that was way better. So now we're on the server. Wait, it's just... No, it's solo. Why solo? I absolutely hate solo. Oh, great bulk. Yeah, better. Is that a bulk throw, really? It doesn't look like bulk throw. Who am I? Right. Better be concentrating. Well, what's up, noob? Oh, come on. Good. Now we have a better angle. Probably not. And we've got this ready. That did absolutely nothing. Hooray. I think you only get this because you're on solo. After this round, I'm going to end the video. Well, we've already died. So we need to kill Tad, Nin, and then we're all on the same life. And then we need to all kill each other. Yes! Now. No. Yes. For plastic. Go. One life remaining. If me and V Dan die and Tadin and products, if all of us die, then we have another round. I died. Who is going to die? Well, one's going to kill another. I bet it's going to be Tad Nin. Is it going to? Yeah. Yeah, go on, Tad in. Beat all the others. I heard somebody die. Who's that? Dad telling him. Tad on. So guys, I'm running out of time, so I'm going to have to end the video here. Please leave in the comment section below who you think is going to win, Taddy or Vedan, because someone just died. So yeah, so bye. By the way, Vedan did win. GG. So, yeah, bye.